Namaste from Pashupati. Pashupati means the Lord of Animals. Dating back to the 5th century, we're here in Kathmandu, Nepal. It's one of the several UNESCO World Heritage Sites from 1979, but historically dating back to the 5th century, the Cheve dynasty. And here I'm getting the... Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And what's your name?
My name, Ram Narayan Das.
Michael, nice to meet you. Michael, nice to meet you. Michael.
Thank you, sir. My friend.
Thank you, sir. Dhanyavad. And we're here from Pashupati.
Good, Pashupati, good.
Praise.
Welcome coming you.
All right, we're here at Pashupati in Kathmandu, the holiest of Hindu pilgrimage spots in the Hindu religion in Nepal, Kathmandu Valley. We're at the Bagmati River. We have a ceremony going on down here. We must be very respectful. It's part of their life and death cycle here, as far as the ceremonial in Hinduism, to cremate the body in open at the Bagmati River. Here life is not, and death is not kept secret. It's not hidden. And we ask ourselves, where everything that ascends, the smoke goes up, everything is ascending upward, kind of tied in with Buddhism, with the 13 tiers and the spire pointing to heaven. And here is Pashupati in the Bagmati River and the temple of Lord Shiva, Pashupati, deity of Lord Shiva, the Lord of all living beings. And we'll take you on a tour of Pashupati. Dhanyavad.
Pashupati lies directly in the Kathmandu Valley near the Tributary International Airport. As soon as you step off the plane, welcome to Pashupati. Pashupati translates to Lord of Animals or Bound Soul.
Entering the gates of Pashupati, one of the oldest heritage sites and probably the most holy of the Hindu religion, Pashupati along the Bagmati River, here at the entrance gate. And we will proceed to enter into the Bagmati River basin here, where the holy ceremonies take place. Here we have the four-sided lingam, or also known as the Shiva Linga, and deity of Lord Shiva, of all living beings in the Hindu religion. And we enter the ceremonial area, also of the Bagmati River, where it is a very holy and spiritual ceremony in which families come to grieve, and it's the final resting place for relatives. I personally have had friends here that it has been their final resting place. We must do it with the most respect in the name of families, their religion, culture, heritage, and practice. And again, to the grieving families. It's a very surreal and powerful place, religiously, spiritually, and culturally. I think this is as far as I'll come. Again, These are cremation. They light the remains on fire, and these are actual relatives, living human beings that have perished, burning in the flesh, not spirit. They cover the bodies in mango oil, and then with Hindu flowers and different decors of the Hindu religion. And they do a ceremonial tradition of circling around their deceased loved ones, and then they catch the wood pile with the human body on fire. Here the stairs ascend, going up to an overview of Pashupati Temple, where the belief system dating back ancient times to at least the 5th century, the Chive dynasty again, to where they burn the bodies, cremation. And we ask ourselves, is it taboo? In the Western world, we bury the bodies. Many places across the world we bury the bodies. And it's always giving back to planet Earth, Mother Nature. Whether it's solid, liquid, or gas, it's all returned to Earth. Namaste. Here we have the Lingam, or the Shiva Linga, primarily an iconic representation of the deity of Lord Shiva, symbolizing the formless, infinite, and creative universe. The Lingam, or the Shiva Linga, and dating back nearly 1,500 years, 1,600 years. Here we have the Pashupatinath Temple, deity to Lord Shiva, and Shiva representing in Sanskrit the Lord of all living beings.
The Bagmati River flows south all the way to Varanasi, finding its origins in the Shiva Puri hills of Nepal. The Bagmati River, where Pashupati rests, ends up in Varanasi at the Ganges River. The Bagmati River is a tributary of the Ganges, connected by the Kosi River.
Here we are at the Shiva Temple, and then at sunset they'll have the ceremony of the fire and prayer here at the Shiva Temple as they prepare for a cremation ceremony ritual for their deceased loved ones. Bagmati River, Pashupati.
स्टोरी थाहा छ तिमीलाई किन यस्तो थियो
यसको कटिङ यस्तो गरेछ नि तल उता कटिङ गरेको माथि कटिङ गरेको उता बेट्टा
यति माथिसम्म कसरी काट्यो
काट सकते हैं करेंगे
तद्वदं करितं